I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than words. I'm beyond what
Hey loves, what's up? I hope you guys doing really well. This video is about Joey King's makeup on Kissing Booth. I have tried my best to recreate her look, so if you are interested then let's go to the video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell so you can get notified every time I post. For primer, I am using Nivea Aftershave Balm. This primer was invented, not invented, but people start using it as primer when liquid said, and I think it actually works really good. For my foundation, I am taking Milani 2-in-1 Perfect, Conceal+Perfect, and my shade is 10. Have you watched Kissing Booth? Which side you were? Nora or Jacob or Mark? I forgot the other hero name. I'm really fan of Noah. He's too cute.
I once was. I don't believe in love. Hey, if I want something.
For my concealer, I'm taking Maybelline Rewind Concealer and I'm applying on my under eye, forehead, my eyelids and my smile line.
Hey, oh baby, I need love me. Hey.
For today's eye makeup, I'm going to use Revolution X Soph Star Spice, and Joy's eye makeup is really bronzy, so I'm going to use this color as my transition shade. So when I started to see the Kissing Booth part 1 and I saw Noah, and it was like OMG, he's too handsome, and I got serious crush on him.
Cause the love I cannot buy it wasn't real with you, boy.
Now I'm taking chocolate orange and putting it in my outer corner. In the second part, when it seems like Noah cheating on LA, it was like, why? Why are you doing this? But at the end, when they got together, the perfect couple ever. Now I'm taking cheesecake and darkening my outer corner. The second thing mesmerized me, LA and the second hero dance. For once, I thought they were going to be boyfriend girlfriend, but at the end, Noah was there. Now I'm taking rims and putting it in my eyelids. Now I'm taking the previous color and putting it in my under eye. Now I'm taking rims and putting it in my half of the under eye. Now I'm taking this color and putting it in my inner corner. Now I'm doing paralleling with the black eye pencil. For my under eye, I'm taking a Flomer lip pencil but using it as my eye pencil. For my mascara, I'm taking Technique Mega Lash Mascara. In the picture, she has really soft contour and lots of blush, so I'm going to do that. And for contour, I'm using Revolution Ultra Contour Palette.
Boy, you won't give me too much chances. I don't care if I am fancy brighter.
And for my blush, I'm using a eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this color for my blush.
Oh boy, I'm telling you bye.
I have applied my eyelash on off camera, and now it's time for lips. And for lips, I'm taking Imagic 41 shade. Now I'm taking Beauty Glazed lipstick, and it's shade Candy Cane. Now on the top, I'm going to use a lip gloss. I'm loving my lips. So here's the end of the makeup. So here's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, then give a thumbs up and hit the ring bell and also the subscribe button so you can get notified every time I post. I actually need your help to grow this YouTube channel. Please do help. and comment below what you want to see next time. See you soon.